Well, there are 2 more COVID-19 related deaths in Wichita County to report today, bringing the total this week so far to 7.
The Wichita Falls, Wichita County Public Health District is also reporting 247 cases of COVID-19 in Wichita County. Shatanya Clark joins us now. Shatanya, we understand the huge increase once again in COVID cases is causing a bit of a backlog for health leaders needing to call the people back who've tested positive.
That's right, Lauren, but the Assistant Public Health Director says they're making changes and doing their best to meet the needs of each individual.
The last 2 or 3 weeks, we've seen a substantial increase in the number of cases daily and, of course, then in aggregate weekly.
COVID-19 cases in Wichita County continue to rise as health leaders await testing from the state to determine whether or not the Omicron variant is present in our area.
Just today alone, closing out Sunday through today, we're at 725 cases for the week. And so that is very concerning.
Wichita Falls, Wichita County Assistant Public Health Director Amy Fagan says though a positive case of the Omicron variant has not been confirmed in the county, based on information provided by the state, they believe the variant is here.
What I'm seeing in how cases, individuals are reporting to us, it's consistent with what we're seeing in other locations that have had the variant confirmed. And so what that means is there's a higher rate of reinfections. And so we have seen that number substantially rise here as well. We're also seeing a higher number of vaccine breakthrough cases.
Because of these increasingly high numbers, case managers with the Wichita Falls, Wichita County Public Health Department have been experiencing a backlog. Fagan says they knew they would need to make some changes themselves, going from 10 days to 5-day quarantine discontinuation guidelines per the CDC.
We've been working very closely with our medical providers to make sure that 1, they know of the updated guidelines, and 2, that they are issuing, those letters or those notes of exclusion and return, for their patients, just as they would for other illnesses.
Additionally, Fagan says they have changed their information gathering process to spend less time on the phone with individuals, and so each person at home monitoring their symptoms can hear from their case managers in a timely manner. They've also added more case investigators. But what happens if residents do not hear from the health department by the time their 5 days of isolation ends?
If they understand the rules, and it's all on our website, it's okay for someone to follow those rules and return based on if they have a physician's note and they are no longer symptomatic.
Fagan says though the CDC says you can get out of isolation with improving symptoms, the health department says individuals should not exhibit any symptoms at all following the 5 days isolation. Fagan says they're trying very hard to meet the needs of Wichita County residents. And even after those 5 days, folks should continue to wear masks for another 5 days as an extra layer of precaution. Now, Fagan also wanted to add the department does not accept at-home tests for a definitive positive or negative result.
Interesting there. Then that person would need to retest. Okay, Shatanya, thank you so much.